President Zardari wrote in the Anjuman diary at the Ajmer Dargah. Kate Kiangwe has more on what exactly happened.
Joining us now, the priest from the Zardari and Bhutto family. In fact, the two of you all were present right through when President Zardari and his son and the entire entourage came in. Tell us what they actually did inside, what prayers were they asking for, and what was the interaction you had with them?
First of all, when he get inside the Dargah, he put the touch. I put the chadar on her, and then he do pray for her, for his family, and all that.
और साथ में आपने भी बिलावल से काफी बात की, तो उसमें क्या आपने उनसे पूछा?
Zardari Saab and Bilawal Saab both was very happy at that time, and he was very glad, especially Bilawal Saab, because this was his first visit, and he was very excited about that. He told me that I feel very glad over here, and I want to be here again and again. And Zardari Saab also, I can read his face that he wants to be here again and again.
Okay. And also you had some gifts that you all gave them also.
We gave him a photo of this Dargah and some tabarrukat.
Okay.
We present them the expressions of Benazir Bhutto also. We had a frame it and we give it to them, and when I moment the expression I give to the Bilawal Saab, he was very happy at that time. I'm very glad that this is my mother's writing, and he was very glad at that time. Yes.
आपसे जानना चाहेंगे, एक खास चादर तैयार की थी आपने जो वेलवेट में थी, जो बेनजीर भुट्टो का जो फेवरेट कलर आप बता रहे थे उस हिसाब से बनाई गई थी, उसे भी चढ़ाया गया?
जी बिल्कुल चढ़ाया गया। वो सर पे रखी गई थी जब वो लोग आए थे यहाँ पर अंदर एंटर हुए थे, तो उसके बाद वो चादर सर पे रखी गई थी और फिर अंदर ले जाके उसको चढ़ाया गया था। फूल भी थे साथ, फिर दुआ मांगी, उसी चादर को सर पे रख के दुआ मांगी गई।
Did you have a chance to talk to President Zardari at all?
I don't get so much time with them, but I had some words. We just exchanged the words with Bilawal Saab. I think he was really very happy, He was very glad, and he they both were, Zardari Saab and Bilawal Saab, they both were sitting in the Astana Sharif, in the main tomb, and for 10 minutes he was just reading the verses of Quran Sharif, and it was a very nice moment for us also.
And how long did he spend in the entire Dargah?
I think the 15 minutes. Yes,
He would have spent 15 minutes
yes.
inside the Sanctum Sanctorum.
Inside the sanctum. Yes.
All right. So there you have it. In fact, it was not just President Zardari, also a lot of curiosity about what Bilawal Bhutto Zardari, this was his first visit, not just to India, but also to Ajmer Sharif. And in that sense, a lot of curiosity about what he really had to say. And like you heard there, he was really at peace with himself. And he said that this is a place where he finds a lot of peace. And he's very happy that he could come here. Back to you.
Do you have the NDTV Profit app? All the markets, all the news in your own homemade, ready-made portfolio available there for you.
We will right now answer what you should sell, what you should buy when markets are down.
Download at ndtvprofit.com/apps. Get the best app from the channel you trust.